Check your answers. We are on page 219. Question 1, -4. Question 2, 1 and 1/2. Question 3, -1 and 1/2. Question 4, -9/14. Question 5, 4/5. Question 6, -2 and 26/33. Question 7, -2 and 11/17. Question 8, 1 and 10/21. Question 9, -2 and 2/7. Question 10, 2/3. Question 11, -6. Question 12, -15. Question 13, -8. Question 14, -12.5. Question 15, 3 and 4/5. 3 and 4/5. These are the key answers of your homework. Check your answers. If you have any questions, you can ask. Online students, check your answers. If you have any questions, you can ask. If you don't have any questions, remove your hands. Abdullah. Abdullah?
Yes, Mister.
What's your question?
Mister, I don't have question. I know it. I want to answer.
Nashi, why you put your hand?
I want to answer
Answer what?
the questions.
Which question? Did I ask?
We'll do it.
Remove your hand يا ابني. Remove your hand. لا تنرفزني. عمر.
Yes, Mister.
ها.
I have a question in number 7.
Question
7.
7. In question 7, we have 7.5 divided by -2 and 5/6. We turn the mixed numbers to fractions first, right?
Yes.
This is
For
equal 15/2 divided by 32/6 with negative, right?
Yes. Then we flip the 32 and 6
لا يا
and
زلمة
make
لا دقيقة. This is 6. 6 by 2, 12 plus 5, 17/6, right?
yeah. We'll
Yeah.
flip
Now the first
negative.
still the same, 15/2, then multiply, then 6 -17. Now this is equal. You can cross the 2 with the 6, right?
Yes.
Divide both by 2. This will be 15/1. Multiply -3/17 equal 15 by -3, -45 equal negative and go make division. 45 divided by 17. 2. 34 subtract صح؟ كم؟ 11. This is equal negative 2 and 11 over 17. So in
Thank you.
question 7, we have the same answer here, negative 2 and 11 over 17.
Yeah.
Done?
Done.
Else. طيب. Else. Yeah, our lesson. Apply rational number operations. Let's go to our new lesson, page 221. Yeah, lesson 6. We are on module 4, page 221. Apply rational number operations. We are on 4 October. Right. Now, let's remember order of operations. Remember? Yeah, order of operations. We took them in the previous model for integers, right? You can apply for the fractions also. We start with parentheses, okay? Then exponents, then multiply or not or, and divide from left to right, and addition and subtraction from left to right. صح? Like in the quiz question, you have something like this, for example, negative 4 over 2, then negative 2, then negative 3 multiply 4, right? Negative نفس الشيء. Negative. يا الله أنا يعني ما مر علي. يلا negative what? 4 multiply 3. راحوا الشباب المحترمين شو عملوا؟ أقول لك هذه نيجاتيف 2 مضبوطة، ونيجاتيف 2 قديش صارت؟ نيجاتيف 4 نيجاتيف 4 multiply 3 رايت؟ راحوا شو عملوا الشباب الكويسين؟ عملوا نيجاتيف 4 نيجاتيف 4 نيجاتيف 8 multiply 3 نيجاتيف 24 طلع معهم، صح؟ بس نسيوا انه we cannot add and subtract before what? Multiply. So here what I need to do, I'll multiply first, then I add or subtract. So it will be negative 4 by 3 is 12, So it is negative what? ولما بنيجي بنحكي الاوردر يا مستر اخذناه يعني كثير هذا ملينا منه خلص. هاي غلطوا فيه امبارح بالكويز. Most of you. Example 1. Example 1. We are on page 221. In example 1, the question said, evaluate. Evaluate AB plus C minus DF. A is given 5/6. B is given -4/5. C is given 0.75. And D is given 1/3. So here, first step, we need to replace all of the variables by their values. The values are given A, B, C, and D. So here I'll start with equal. What's the meaning of AD? A multiply B. A is how much? 5/6 multiply B, which is -4/5. Continue with the expression. Plus, high plus. C 0.75. 0.75. Minus D. D is 1/3. This is -1/3. Now, notice that all of them are fractions except mean. Turn it to fraction. Okay? So by side here, I will take this 0.75. It is 75 over what? Simplify it. Divide on what? Both up and down. You can divide on 5. 25 over 20. Then you divide on 5 again. It will be 3/4. So in place of 0.75, I'll replace it by what? 3/4. So it is 5/6 multiply -4/5 plus 3/4 minus. Now, let's go back to our order of operations. Parentheses. Do we have parentheses here? No. Type exponents. Do we have? Come on, no. Now, the third step, multiply and divide. Do we have? Yes, I have multiply. So I need to do the multiplication first. And when we do multiplication here, you can cross this 5 with this 5 by dividing up and down by what? Or you can multiply up, multiply down, then simplify your answer. Okay? So here I will cross the 5s and divide 4 with 6. So here I will divide by 5, and here also. Here I will divide by 2, and here also by 2. Now the numbers will be 1/3 multiply -2/1. وهذا بينزل plus 3/4 minus 1/3. Now I can multiply easily. 1 times -2, 3 times 1, and this comes down plus 3/4 minus. Now I'm done with the multiplication and division. The last step is what? Add and subtract from left to right. What's the meaning of from left to right? Means what comes first from left to right, you do it first. Okay? After you are done with multiply and divide, you will go to the addition and subtraction. So here I have the first two here. These two fractions. We will do them first, then we'll take the answer and subtract it with 1/3. So I will take these two fractions by side also, calculate them, -2/3 plus 3/4. And I don't know how many times يعني شو أغنيها مثلا اجيب مايك اغنيها انه if we have unlike denominators we cannot add directly. اغنيها صوتي مبحوح اللي بغنيها، بكره ذكروني اغنيها. 3 بلس 4 هذه ما بنعملش 3 بلس 4 والله ويلا وصف. غلط غلط. خلص افهم انه هذا غلط غلط. بالكويز في 3 or 4 students do the same mistake. مش معقول يعني. يلا. So here 3 and 4 both gives 12, right? Times 4 times 4 times 3 times 3. Find your answer. Negative 8, 12, 9, 12, 1, 12. ليش 1? Negative 8 plus 9. Negative 8 plus 9. Subtract with the bigger sign. 1 over. So here these two fractions, the answer of them is 1 over minus. Now here you have a 12, here you have a 3. 3 can be 12 by multiplying up and down with 4. So here times 4 equal 1 over 12 minus 4 over 12, which is why you say 3. يعني هلا 1 هي 1 نقدر ناخذ منها 4 ويتبقى 3 معها. كيف يعني؟ ها كيف 1 minus 4 تطلع 3 معكم؟ يا اخي لحظه شوي بدي افهم بالاول كيف. يعني how 1 minus 4 equal 3. how؟ انت ما بتحس انها غلط مثلا؟ لما بتيجي تكتبها ما بتحس انه في شيء غلط؟ 1 minus 4 equal 3. كيف؟ في هلا واحد بيطلع لي بيقول لي ما بيجوز 1 minus 3. cannot be يا مستر. positive negative different signs. Plus 1 minus 3. Plus 1 minus 3. Right? Sorry. Minus 4. Subtract with the bigger sign. It will be what? Negative 3 over what? Over 12. Negative 3 over 12. Divide by 3 up and down. It will be negative 1 over 12. So the answer is negative 1 over 4. Now in the book, the answer negative 0.25. It is the same of negative 1 over 4. This is example 1. Let's do the check. What time this period finish? مش عارف خلص أنا بعرف. Go with the check. Do it by yourself. يلا. Check. Evaluate A plus BC plus D. A is given 3.6, B 2 and 4 over 5, C negative 1 over 2, and D 6 and 3 over 4. يلا. This is equal. First step, replace the variables by their values. A is given 3.6 plus BC means B multiply C. B is how much? 2 and 4 over 5 multiply C, which is -1 over 2. هذه نيجاتيف، هاي نيجاتيف. خلاص؟ negative 3.6. BC, we are done with it. Plus what? D. D is how much? Plus 6 and 3 over 4. Now, all of them are fractions and mixed numbers except the 3.6. Let's turn it to, now the negative stay negative. 3.6 هذه, it is a 3 and 6 over, means a 3 and 3 over, divide by 2, divide by 2. So this is equal. طب turn it to fraction بالمرة. Yeah. So negative 18 over plus fraction 14 over 5, right? Multiply negative 1 over 2. Fraction 24, 27. صح? What I did here, I turned the decimal and the mixed numbers all to be fractions. Now I will follow my order of ما في parentheses, ما في exponents, multiply and divide. Do we have? So first step, I will do what? The multiplication. The other fractions will come down. I will do only the multiplication. Only. وهذا بينزل ملوش دخل. Now in the multiplication, I can cross the 14 with the 2. What's this will be? 7 multiply 1, negative 1, negative 7, right? Over 5 by هذه 1. صح؟ مظبوط. I multiplied, I crossed, then I multiplied. This is the answer. Now here, look, we have 5 and here we have, can we add them? Yes, we can add them directly. Look here, negative 18, negative 7, negative 25 over plus 27 over what? Negative 25 over 5 is how much? Negative 5. Check. Divide different signs. Positive, negative, 25 divided by 5 is 5. Plus, this is over 1, multiply by 4, multiply by 4, then simplify. The answer will be 1 and 3 over 4 equal 1 and 3 over 4, the final answer. Okay, that's all for today. Do not do the homework. We are not done with this lesson yet. So today you don't have homework. That's all. Tomorrow, inshallah, we'll continue from example 2. Bas. Thank you.